हांव चेतन साळकार. आमी एक सायकलिंग एसोसिएशन गोवाच्या अगेन्स्ट एक पेटिशन फायल केल्लें. कित्याक काय म्हणल्यार देर हॅज बीन लॉट ऑफ एम्बेजलमेंट ऑफ फंड्स आनी दुसरें म्हणजे आमकां सेक्रेटरीन आमकां मेंबरशीप फॉर्म्स दिल्ली आनी आमी जवळ जवळ 69 मेंबर्स आमी केले आनी मेंबर्स करतकच हें म्हणपाक लागलें आमकां वोटींग रायट्स ना म्हणून. सो आमकां हायकोर्टान वचचें पडलें आनी हाजेर आमी ते एम्बेजलमेंट ऑफ फंड्साचेरूय एक केस घाल्ली आसा. ती लोवर कोर्टान आसा. FIR फायल करची म्हणून पुलिसान.
Filed this petition by the representing the cyclists who had been deprived their voting rights for the upcoming elections, which were supposed to be held on 18, that is today. In the orders that had been passed today by the Honorable High Court, our petition has been allowed, and all the parties have to report before the Inspector General on 24th October at 4 p.m. to decide on the questions which were raised during the proceedings of this matter. And meanwhile, the elections that were supposed to be held today has been deferred. And it will be held after the questions that were raised will be decided by the Inspector General.
So new election date will be declared?
After the 1 month of passing of, after Inspector General decides on the question, after 1 month of that, the election procedures will have to start after 2 weeks of that.
And it has to be concluded in 1 month?